Lily, what kind of house are we looking for?
Since we want to start a homestead, we definitely want to have somewhere with enough space. We want to have some fruit trees and some veggies, maybe some chickens, but we also really like to have a lot of natural light.
So we just got back from touring our first potential house. How do you think about it?
I think I fell in love with it a little bit too hard. It's so unique and so beautiful, and the views are just, I can't believe it. It looks like you're on the top of like a hiking trail.
언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 The chemistry is
We're finally back in California after spending 2 months in Japan. We are currently in an Airbnb because our house is being remodeled right now. So we're staying in this Airbnb.
We're gonna move in before the renovations are complete, but we're gonna be here for just a couple of weeks until at least a little bit of it gets done.
And also, Lily has a new change. Can you tell us?
Well, I haven't had a car for like a year and a half because for one, we were in Japan, and for two, when I moved up to LA to live with Danny, there was not enough parking, so we had to sell my car, and now I finally have a car again.
Yeah, and then we'll show you the new car.
Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. It's very spacious in here.
So I'll show you guys around the house. Alright, so it's just a very small Airbnb, 1 bedroom, 1 restroom. It's super funny that the theme of this Airbnb is a farmhouse. They decorated to a farmhouse theme because our house is gonna be the farmhouse. And this is the rest of the space. We couldn't wait, so we got a plant in the meanwhile. It's called ficus tree. It'll be one of many plants we'll have in the future. One of the first things I did when I got back to California is I got a haircut. I didn't get a haircut for almost 2 months in Japan. So I got one here, but it was a new hair shop. And I didn't really like what they did. They gave me a mullet, so I'm gonna get another haircut today. We'll see if this one's any better. Okay, here we are. Alright, all done. This is how it looked like. Okay, so we're at our new house. We're actually gonna move in tomorrow. So I'm gonna show you guys the progress of the house. So we gutted out the guest restroom first. So we're gonna do the guest bathroom first, and then the kitchen, the master bathroom, and then master bedroom, and then 2 guest rooms. So this is the progress of the shower. We're gonna do a walk-in shower. We're gonna have new vanity, and we actually had to move the toilet, so it was a lot of plumbing work. This is how it looked like before. This is the bedroom that we're gonna be staying at temporarily until the construction is finished. This is the second bedroom. We're not gonna do too much in this room. We're just gonna fix the closets and repaint, and then put some ceiling lights. I'll show you guys the upstairs. Let's see what Lily's doing upstairs. I think I hear her eating. This is the living room right now. You can see that it's 1 level raised up. So we'll be evening out the level. And we're gonna gut out the kitchen. How's the food? The construction is not done yet, so it's gonna be pretty hectic for the next few weeks. Right now, the time is 3 something. This is our lunch. It's still really good.
Well, we were doing a deal off of Facebook Marketplace. The lady that was selling it to us like got some for us, and then she said that we can just pay her back, which is really nice. So we didn't have to stand in the long line at all. Yeah, Lily found this Lomi composter off of Facebook Marketplace, so we drove down to OC and we picked it up. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the backyard. This is gonna be the view of our backyard.
We used to have a big tree over there. It was a pepper tree, and then we had to cut it down because there was a huge beehive in it. A very aggressive beehive. We're moving in tomorrow, but we might actually be able to move in tonight. The cleaners are here cleaning the house. Meanwhile, we're in Lily's new Tesla watching Black Mirror.
First one was like fine.
It's funny because we watched Black Mirror. We both of us watched it, but in different point of our lives. But now we're watching this new season together at our new house. This is the room we're gonna be staying at. We're gonna build the bed frame right now. It's a queen size bed frame. Easy as 1, 2, 3. Let's see how easy it is.
Okay.
힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 있던 너 눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간
Wow, this is a really easy bed frame to set up. It only took us 10 minutes so far. Almost done.
Nowhere can I find someone like you 한눈에 알아본 넌 나의 replica We don't need to see each other
And we're done. Can't forget the meatballs when you're in IKEA.
I'm between this one.
This one?
Yeah. And the apple. Yeah.
We're here for the meatballs, but Lily went straight for the chocolate cake.
Oh, come on. You're going to share it with me.
Stay okay?
You too.
Yeah, can I do the mash?
It's very common for people to eat at IKEA, but this is actually my first time. I did have the IKEA meatballs in Japan, but it was frozen ones, so I'm super excited to try this one.
So dip it in the mashed potatoes and dip it in the lingonberry jam. Nice. Is it good?
Yeah, the dips make it better than just eating it with like pasta.
Nice.
So we're out in IKEA today. We're gonna try to get some kitchen cabinets and appliances, countertops planned. All right, so this is a dining table we're gonna be getting. Lily's parents actually have this at their place.
But I recommended this to them, and that's why they bought it. So it was my idea.
Lily's over there. We're gonna hire the IKEA person to come over to our house and measure our kitchen. And after that, we're gonna come in for free planning service provided by IKEA. We picked up this dining table from IKEA, and we're gonna stop by Mitsuha for dinner. We ordered our ramen, and we're gonna do grocery shopping meanwhile.
It's really good with our bringing our own utensils and water bottle and stuff today.
Yeah.
I'm proud of us. This is our first ramen after Japan.
Yep. We got the shio ramen. Oh. Slow down.
That was hot.
She killed it.
He's at work right now and our house gets very dusty because of all the construction and stuff, so I bought us some slippers. These ones are actually Danny's, which is why it's so big for me. And then these ones are mine. So it's gonna be like this. Mine and Danny's.
Such a pretty sunset today. Just waiting for Danny to get home. And this is the view.
What do you think?
It fits perfectly.
Do you like it?
I love it. I wish I can take it to work. Imagine me wearing this on the hospital floor. Tastes really good.
It's peach season.
Peach season. Okay, so tonight we're gonna assemble our table and have a wine night. Okay, this is the table we're gonna be building. This is our progress.
Technically only have 2 more steps to go out of 15. Bob the Builder. Hi Bob.
Hi Bobby. And we're done. Good job, Lily. This morning we're gonna go to a recycling center and recycle some boxes. Our place doesn't have a separate recycling bin, so we have to go out to a nearby recycling center and recycle it from there.
But it's free and they actually pay you.
Okay, so I'm in the recycling center here. We'll see how it goes. So they help you unload, and they also recycle cans, plastic bottles, glass bottles, and of course boxes. Okay, so I just got back and we got $2 and something cents. It's really cool that they recycle cardboard boxes here. I've been to other recycling centers, they usually don't do cardboard boxes, so we're pretty happy with this. Also, our laundry machine is in here, so we're utilizing a nearby coin laundry for now. So while I was at the recycling center, Lily was at the laundry waiting for laundry to be done. Are we done with the washer?
Yeah, I put the stuff in the dry.
Okay. How long are we drying it for?
Well, I put 56 minutes in.
While we wait for our laundry to be done, we're gonna have some lunch. Woohoo! Alright, half rack of ribs, sausage, brisket, coleslaw, cornbread, and ranch. See?
Enjoy! We've got some more things to do when we get home, so you need energy.
This place was really delicious. Meat literally fell off the bones. We've had lots of barbecue places and this is one of the best in California. And also the fries are really crispy, delicious, very well seasoned.
We're gonna be redoing these floors. So Danny just ripped out all the flooring here because we had to get this closet. There used to be a closet like that. And so because it was ripped out, the flooring had to be redone because there was no way to match it. Because now the room is so much bigger.
This is our progress. And Lily has the last piece.
This is the penultimate piece.
There you go. Is it gonna work?
Yes.
Woo! Nice. So Lily did 99% of these flooring. And this is a master bedroom. It's really big. We're gonna expand the master bathroom and we're gonna build a walk-in closet out here. We're planning on turning this corner into a walk-in shower and possibly move the toilet from here to here and have the vanity on this side. And then this closet, we want to maybe possibly bring it out, so we have a walk-in closet going to the right, and then left will be the restroom.
Okay, so right now I'm in my newly almost done renovated master bathroom in our house, and I want to put up some wallpaper on the walls. We got a quote for it and it was supposed to be like 300 something if we brought someone in to do it, and I'm gonna do it myself and it's gonna cost me like 70 bucks, so I think that's a pretty good win. Can't forget the mask, otherwise Danny's gonna get mad at me. Okay, next up is the spackle. Okay, so the spackling isn't going as well as I was hoping. The sticky stuff just isn't sticking to the walls and getting in there. So I'm gonna look up on YouTube to see what I can do. My mom always says like there's nothing you can't learn off of YouTube, and I think that that's pretty true. So I'm gonna see what I can do. Okay, so I learned on YouTube that if you mix a little bit of water into the spackle, it will help because it's probably drying out faster than what I can keep up with. And I tried it and it works really well now. So now I'm gonna start cutting the wallpaper. The tricky thing about this is that you have to cut it so that the designs match up. This pond is gonna match up corner right here. Oh, there's an ant. Get off of it. guys, it's so hard to cut wallpaper straight.
Roman Co 880 and taking a sponge. This. Definitely pretty time consuming, but it's fun to feel like I'm actually doing something for my house.
눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간 생각을 공유해